Before the existence of washing machine, people are pounding the clothes on the rock or rubbing them with abrasive and sand and washing the dirt away local streams. Washing soap was found at Super Hill in Rome, where the ashes containing the fat of sacrificial animals was used as a soap. In 1797, in the earliest washing machine, which called the scrub board, but the usage of it is not too long until the 19th century.
In 1851, James King's machine was introduced and the first washing machine to use a drum that resembled a modern machine. However, it was a still hand-powered. In 1874, William Blackstone built a birthday present for his wife. It was a machine which removed and washed away dirt from clothes. This is the first washing machine designed for convenient use in home. Electric washing machines were advertised and discussed in newspapers.
The first completely electric-powered washing machine was named before invented by Alpha J. Fisher. It was introduced in 1908 by the Hurley Machine Company of Chicago. A patent was issued on August 9, 1910. The tool was a drum washing machine with a galvanized top and an electric motor. One of the biggest problems of early electric washing machines was that the water often ran through electric pipes. This resulted in short-circuit sparks and overheating.
Bandit Corporation introduced the first domestic automatic machine in 1937, having applied for victims in the same year. Over time, manufacturers of automatic washers have gone to great lengths to reduce costs. For instance, expensive gearboxes are no longer required.
Since motor speed can be controlled electronically, in 1978, the first microchip controlled automatic washing machines were produced. Nowadays, washing machines offer dozens of wash cycles and water levels, programmable before or during washing.
Firstly, same as hand washing, washing machines require water to clean laundry items. They are second biggest consumer of water in the home after toilets. Some types of washers use up a lot of water, which is a problem in the face of scarcity of water. By using up quite a large amount of water, washers don't just affect the monthly bill, their impact spread over the environment.
Energy Star puts the average household's water consumption for garment washing using a top-loading machine at 13,500 gallons of water per year. This older machine uses nearly 14 gallons of water per wash. This is twice as much water as a front-loading machine needs. By simply switching to a front-loading machine, you can save up to 7,000 gallons of water in a year. Both washing machines and dryer use electricity to generate heat and drive the motors. 19% of the energy consumed is used to heat up the water.
The fact that laundry detergents contains APEs that damage the immune system and act as hormone disruptors. Enzymes, bleach, perfumes and colorant used in chemical detergent are absorbed in our bodies when they come into contact with our skin. Some of these toxic chemicals have even been linked to cancer, allergies and birth defects.
You should select a machine that doesn't use too much energy or water in its operation, as well as one that whose capacity is bigger, allowing for a larger load per run. With an efficient machine, you minimize water usage and lower energy consumption since they can handle larger loads at a time. Washer types such as front load and the other HE machines are ideal for resource preservation.
Chemicals in laundry soap, bleach and softeners find their way into water supplies affecting humans, animals and the environment. You can play your part by minimizing the detergents and fabric softener you use in washing.
Next, unless you want to disinfect your laundry or the washing instruction on the garment especially requires you to use warm water. Wash using cool water.
Last, resist the urge to do several small loads over the course of a week and wait until you have a full washer's worth of laundry. Even the most high technology energy efficient washing machines use 27 gallons water and older models can consume up to 54 gallons per load.